In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a specific branch from a Bitbucket repository right to your local system. This process is straightforward when using the git command line, and throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can replicate the procedure with ease. First, let's tackle how to obtain your repository URL from Bitbucket. Begin by navigating to the designated repository within your Bitbucket account. Once there, look for the Clone button, which is usually conveniently positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will present you with the repository's clone URL. You have the choice of selecting either the HTTPS or SSH URL. Your choice between these two depends largely on your setup and preferences, but both options will work for our purposes today. With the repository URL in hand, the next step is to open your terminal or command prompt. Now, you'll want to navigate to the directory where you wish to clone this repository. You can do this by using the cd command, which will change the directory. It's important to ensure that you're in the correct directory, since this is where your cloned repository will be stored. If you're unsure of the current directory, typing pwd in the terminal may help clarify your position in your file system. Now, it's time to put the cloning process into action. Execute the git clone command. But to focus specifically on a single desired branch, you'll need to make use of the branch flag, which can also be shortened to B. This allows you to specify exactly which branch you're interested in. In conjunction with branch, it's wise to employ the single branch option. This instructs Git to fetch only the branch you've specified, rather than duplicating the entire repository with all its branches, which streamlines the cloning process and reduces unnecessary data transfer, saving both time and bandwidth. Therefore, your command should resemble this structure: git clone, branch your branch name, single branch, followed by the clone URL that you copied earlier. Allow Git some time to process the command. If everything runs smoothly, your terminal will soon start fetching the files from the specified branch. Once it's complete, you'll have a working copy of the specific branch of your Bitbucket repository right on your local machine. By following these precise steps, you'll find cloning branches in Bitbucket to be an effortless task. It's a handy skill to have, especially when looking to focus on specific features or updates without the distraction of other branches. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope you found it helpful in demystifying the cloning process. Be sure to check out other tutorials to continue expanding your Git expertise.